Yo, what is good, you guys? Welcome back to another market recap. This is how we did today. Perform on the SPY. We took one position in the AM session. Was a win. We went short here. I saw SMT at these AM highs. NQ took out that AM high here, right? Created a higher high while ES then failed to take out that AM high and created a higher low, thus forming the bearish SMT. But I should say, when I was doing my pre-market analysis on the day, I noticed on the 4 hour, in London session, we took out this 4 hour high, and we're also venturing into this high time frame 4 hour inefficiency, correct? And remember, right, how I told you guys, I saw this as a higher time frame liquidity sweep here, right? High formed, price came up, took out that high, and what did it do from there? Displaced very aggressively, right? Creating this huge break of structure in the higher time frame. You retraced back into that 4 hour inefficiency, and it seems to have respected it so far. I wonder how this looks like on NQ. Probably, yeah. You see, there's that 4 hour inefficiency. Tapped into it right there. But yeah, so I guess I was kind of bearish coming into the day. And here, let me get rid of this. So I marked out the London high here, London low, as the draw of liquidities, and since I did wake up late, I saw all this price action form, and so at this point I just waited for 10 o'clock. We got 10 o'clock here, and that's exactly when the SMT formed. Saw that as my entry, went short, stop at the high, the higher low that ES created as my stop loss, because if this was a true SMT, it will hold at that high. And I had the London low targeted out. I did want to see this new day opening gap get filled, but I ended up closing it. Since we did take a loss yesterday, this had to recover that plus a lot more, and I was more worried about recovering that drawdown. But once price came and filled this new day opening gap and closed below it, that's when I looked at the next draw liquidity to the south side, and it was this Asia low back here. So I marked that out to see if price would end up taking that out on the session, and lo and behold, it did right around here at lunch hour. So yeah, but let's say I would have held to this new day opening gap and saw that it closed all the way down here and held to the Asia low. Just imagine that would have been a gnarly trade, but I'm not greedy, and it happened once, it'll happen again. We literally had a move like this happen earlier in the week. So yeah, great trade nonetheless. Beautiful read, can't complain. But hopefully I didn't go over my 5 minute time limit. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I will leave the screenshot at the end of you guys of the execution so you guys can see. Now I'm not just yapping, but anyways, thank you guys for watching like always. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.